TD and MD usually refer to transverse direction and machine direction, terms used in materials science, film manufacturing, textiles, and polymer processing. First, machine direction, MD. The direction parallel to the movement of the material through the manufacturing equipment, for example, extrusion, calendering, weaving. In polymer films, MD is the direction in which the film is drawn or extruded. MD properties are influenced by stretching, molecular orientation, and processing speed in that direction. Second, transverse direction, TD. The direction perpendicular to the MD, across the width of the material. In films, TD properties are controlled by processes like tentering or blow molding that stretch materials sideways. Why TD and MD matter? Mechanical properties such as tensile strength, elongation, tear resistance, and barrier properties can differ in TD versus MD due to molecular orientation. Anisotropy. Most films and textiles have different properties in each direction. Applications. Important for packaging films, coating substrates, geotextiles, and laminated composites where directional strength matters.